You might be looking for the best electric skateboards online, and we know that it gets a little annoying to see different specs and features and then select the best ones for each category. Don't worry, as we've made this easier for you. We've made a list of the best electric skateboards, and not just in general, we've also placed them under a specific category so you can choose the one you need. Let's have a look at them. Number 5. Highboy S11. New version lithium battery, 25 volts 4Ah, 4000 mAh. Range up to 9 miles in one charge. Different from high-performance e-skateboards, Highboy S11 electric skateboard is designed as a fun and joyful one which is easy to handle, and suitable for riding around town and school. Go fast and far. The 350W powerful hub motor provides a smooth, streamlined power. The top speed and range go up to 12.4 miles per hour on a single charge. The chassis is higher, and the passability of potholes 40%. Sturdy construction benefited from 7 layers Canadian grade maple. Highboy skateboards S11 have been solidly made with lightweight 8 pounds, max weight load 220 pounds. Non-slip and frosting surface design, and come with a BEC7 soil truck that extremely stable when accelerating and turning. Wireless remote control, ergonomic and rechargeable wireless design. Control your speed with comfort and ease. 4 ride modes and 4 brake modes exclusive to Highboy electric skateboard. Fun and best gift, it is friendly for beginner that allowing you to ride confidently no matter what your skill level. So the S11 electric skateboard is an ideal gift for kids, adults, college students when Christmas or birthday. Number 4. Team GH5, UI certification E503354-0. 59 inches thick, the thinnest e-skateboard. 3 inches off the ground provides stability and control. 37 inches longboard, 7 inches wide, weighs 14.5 pounds and can hold a maximum load of 200 pounds. Powered by high-performance 380WX2 motors, giving it a 9 to 11 miles range with a top speed of 22 miles per hour. Made from 10-ply Canadian maple and 1-ply fiberglass, offers a medium flex for a smooth ride. Includes wireless remote control with LCD screen for changing speeds and directions, and reversing. The new electric skateboard battery needs to be charged and discharged 3 times to reach the best activity of the battery. Team G is on a mission to create the highest performance and ultra-thin electric longboards possible to make daily commuting enjoyable. Our skateboards are perfect for shorter commutes, cruising campus, and quick errands. Team G is one of the first to use a drop-through deck on an electric skateboard, and its deck is 15 to 20 millimeters lower to the ground than most of the electric skateboards, which enables a more stable and confident riding experience. The concave deck makes turning effortless and comfortable. The soft bushing makes the board super nimble when it comes to making sharp turns. Number 3. KATEBOLT Tornado 2. Upgraded Tornado 2. With upgraded 7500 mAh battery, Skatebolt electric longboard keeps cruising up to 21-24 miles in medium mode. With dual motors, its running speed goes up to 26 miles per hour, and it's strong enough to climb a 25% steep hill. Durable and stable. This longboard is made with 8 layers of northeast maple which make it sturdier to support a weight up to 280 pounds. The wheels, 90 millimeters, and the deck, 38*9.4*5.5 in, are wider for a smooth and stable skateboarding. AL lights for safety. The powered skateboard is equipped with 2 red warning taillights. To ensure a safe riding in the dark street, they will keep blinking to warn any vehicles coming behind you when you hold the brake. Screen display remote. The remote controller is designed with a LCD screen display. You can easily check the speed mode, battery capacity, and brake mode. The LED button can get access to the cruise control and taillight function. Hop with confidence. Our electric skateboard is approved with EMC, FCC, LVD and RoHS 0.6-month warranty guaranteed. Repair service available with a support center located in LA. Number 2. Backfire G2. The best entry-level electric skateboard in the market. Top speed, 24 miles per hour, 38 kilometers per hour range, 11-12.5 miles, 18 to 20 kilometers, 80 kilograms rider S mode, 30 kilometers per hour speed flat road, 400W hub motors, digit screen remote controller. Backfire provide the best after-sales service. We offer 180 days limited warranty from the date of purchase for the manufacturer defects, excluding bearings, wheels and grips which are wear and tear parts. Please feel free to contact us if for any questions. Backfire boards provide the best after-sales service. We offer 6 months, 180 days, maintenance service. Backfire electric skateboards from the date when you receive the product. This maintenance service excludes normal depletion of consumable parts, grip tape, wheels, hardware and bearings, unless due to a defect in materials or workmanship. Number 1. Meepo Shuffle V4S. Specially designed deck. Meepo Shuffle V4S electric skateboard is thoughtfully designed with a concave that assists you in making turns and maintaining stability at higher speeds. The 8 layers of Canadian maple and 1 fiberglass layer make the board more flexible and durable. Powerful hub motors and upgraded tires. Meepo skateboard is equipped with a powerful hub motor, which generates a top speed of 29 miles per hour and a range of 10 miles to adapt accordingly to different situations like climbing hills, grass surfaces, or riding inside the city. Also, the upgraded 105mm tires make you feel safer. Smooth braking and 4 modes. The new ESC with a sensitive control system provides riders with a smooth braking experience. Also, the skateboard is IPX6 waterproof and you can switch between 4 modes to adapt to your daily activities, including a low mode, which is user-friendly for beginners. Fast charging. The skateboard supports 1.5A charging, with which it only takes about 3 hours to charge from 0 to 100%, so that you can concentrate on having fun, rather than having battery anxiety. After sales service. Our high-quality boards go through rigorous testing before we ship them to you, and we provide you with a 6-month warranty from the day you receive the board. Starting with the Shuffle, all new Meepo boards will be shipped with the brand new LeFoc ESCs. This addition allows the board to be maneuvered much more precisely. The LeFoc 1.0 ESC will sample input from the remote as well as the motor 1000 times per second, every millisecond, making the ride much smoother and much more beginner-friendly.